Hello friends, welcome back to the new tutorial of the React. Today we are going to learn about how to add the simple calendar into your React application. So those who haven't subscribed my channel yet, please do subscribe my channel, and if you like the video, please do like, share and comment on my video. Let's get started. So basically I'm using the React calendar for that one. So let's install this npm package npm I React calendar. I think it will give me the error again. Yeah. So here I need to go with this one for the installation. Npm start. Let's see the basic calendar. So here we have, you can see that the selected date is this one. You can go with this selection, that selection, go whatever selection. Okay, so this is a basic calendar with this one, right? Okay, so how we have done this one, let's have an example of that one. So those who haven't subscribed my channel yet, please do subscribe my channel, and if you like the video, please do like, share and comment on my video. Let's get started. So you have to use the React calendar and its css, right? So here we can see that we have a default states, and here we are setting the states. Okay, here you can see calendar on change, so whatever values you want and the value printing over here, just simple one, the calendar. Okay, nothing big on that. Okay, you can see the number of downloads and the package reviews also with the help of npm. So npm this package, so React calendar, and I think it's one of the most popular package. Here you can see that weekly downloads. Okay, so this is how we have implemented, and here you can see the same thing that we have done. Okay, any doubt, any query in that, do let me know in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching this video. In the next video we are going to make it as a date range, right? So currently simple calendar, now we are using it as a date range picker with the help of this React calendar. Let's see in the next video. Thank you so much for watching this video. Have a great day.